Hey, Steve with Trimble, and this is Connected Construction tip number 30. We're going to show you how to use Connect Views to launch someone directly into the view space with the model, scan data, and layout data turned on that you want to highlight. So here we can see an inspection scan data of an elevator core. We can actually move this out a little bit so you can actually see the front side of this is good. It's about within a 1/4 inch and the scan data is green. So we ran a scan to model inspection out in Field Link and we sent that back. But I really want to highlight where they may need to actually grind. So here you can see we have some measurements already saved here. We're in the red, it's about 2 inches in. Yellow would be about an inch, probably okay, and green would be below that 1/2 inch. So that's great. I can invite someone to a Connect project by simply inviting them in here, adding them to a team, and getting them going. Once I do that, though, they're going to have to know how to turn on the different views, different models, and the scan data that's appropriate. So if I can get the view I want and the measurements I want, I can actually come in here and pretty quickly just go to the View tab, hit Add Another View. And what this will do is open a description and title that I can name this, which I've done this a couple times, but we'll say lean in, and I'll put this in the description. I can then invite that person who I've already invited to this project and save it. And so what that's going to do is if I bring open my incognito mode browser here, you're going to see what that email looks like. This is actually another anchor bolt topic, a BCF topic, but the view would actually launch me when I make it over directly to that view. So refresh this. Again, the email will bring it in, but this is essentially what will pop it in. So it's going to bring it into place with scan data, give it a second to load in. But now whoever I'm working with can quickly see these measurements and the communication can be done instantaneously. If you are interested, we will have another video on topics. Topics are just going to allow you to track those issues better. If I come back here, we can actually see what that looks like. But there's a whole bunch of information on type, priority, due date. But it also have the same thing as the view. So once I'm there, I can jump into it. In this case, this is layout anchor bolt data, where if we zoom all the way out, you can see all the anchor bolt data. What we're highlighting here is with this TFLX file, the layout file, we can see we have 251 points that needed to be laid out. 241 of them had been. If I open up the correct stake folder, I can actually, or stake table, I can actually start to see the horizontal deviation. And I can see that this one point, if I highlight it, is the one that was in that topic, is 13 mils off. So I can communicate that with a little bit more information, a little bit more tracking capability. But views or topics, both will work. Invite the owner, other subcontractors, clients, whoever, to the project. Open the view that you want to have them in. Generally, this helps with scan data. And if I show you another one, actually, like here, 2D to 3D, I can actually show you a PDF or actually where the scan data versus a PDF design of where they said the fire suppression was versus where it was designed. So if you can do these views with scan data, it can just hopefully help pop someone into the right spot a little bit faster. So 2D or 3D layout or scan data works, and even with just the model. So thanks, and please reach out if you have any questions or if you want to see anything different.